We've covered this in some other videos before, but our membership and participation in eStart, which is a coalition of major companies trying to get car titles to be digitized, along with companies like DocuSign, CarMax, Carvana, is starting to pay off. Look at this news story. California DMV has put 42 million car titles on the blockchain. They've digitized vehicle titles. This is a great development and all part of the push to make vehicle titling more modern, where you don't have to worry about paperwork and documents and signing forms. This is a huge, huge progress, and California, being the largest state in population, will lead the rest of the country. So what does this mean for people with titles? So by digitizing 42 million titles using blockchain technology, first of all, it's going to prevent fraud, right? Most importantly, it will smooth the car title process. So it's not going to be quite as bureaucratic. It's not going to be quite as a nightmare to deal with the DMV. And you will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. You'll be able to get vehicle titles through a mobile app. Think about that. Think about what you have to go through now to get a vehicle title. How much paperwork and hassle and runaround you have to do. How great would it be just to do it with an app? The other part is going to be lien releases. First of all, it'll block lien fraud, but it'll be a transparent record of property ownership. So when you pay off your car, you pay off your lien, you won't have to go chasing that lien holder to release your lien, because it'll be something you download on your phone. Right? Your lien release is already right there. It may take a little bit of time. They say that you'll be able to access your digital car title starting early next year, so less than 12 months. And it'll be something that you can opt out of. If you don't want to have your title on your phone, you can still go paper if you want to. So what are your thoughts on all this? Is this a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Are you glad to not have to deal with paperwork and difficult title processes where you can just do it electronically, like everything else you do in life with computers and apps and phones? Getting the title process more modern, I think, is a great development. If you like this video, be sure to click on a few others on our channel to see if there's other information that might be helpful to you about this same subject, or maybe even other related subjects that could assist you with your resolution of your issue.